In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import notes from iPhone to Windows computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Transferring your notes from any iPhone model to a Windows PC is not hard. This is because you can actually access iCloud, where all of your notes are stored directly on your Windows PC. So all that you have to do is first make sure that your notes are being synchronized into iCloud. So open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your icon here so you will see your Apple ID or Apple account, select it, and now go into the iCloud settings. This is where all of your stuff will be stored on the cloud, and it makes it easy to share between devices. So now you will see the Save to iCloud option. Just make sure that the Notes app is included. If you don't see it here or you would like to double check, tap the See All option and you will be able to see if synchronization is enabled for the Notes app. So in here, there's either going to be a tick box like this, just make sure that it is enabled, or double check to see if it is set to on. Once iCloud is being used for the Notes app, you are good to go. Now, what you can do is go to iCloud.com through a web browser on your Windows PC. So just open a standard web browser, go to www.icloud.com and sign in with the same Apple account that you are using on your iPhone. So this Apple ID or this Apple account here. Once you are signed into that account on the iCloud website, everything will appear. So you will see your Drive, you will see your reminders, calendar, all of your applications, including photos, and of course, most importantly, notes. If you don't see notes here on one of these rectangles, then you will find it available under all of the apps here at the bottom. And then immediately upon tapping on notes, all of your notes are going to appear. So you will see all of them here. You can open them, copy them, do whatever you like. Any modifications that you make to a note in here will also be synchronized to your iPhone because they are stored within iCloud. So any synchronizations will work between both, or any modifications will work between both devices. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.